Hi everybody, welcome or welcome back. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you choose to subscribe. It's really easy and it's free. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. You press it, it turns gray, and you're in. There's also a bell that's beside the subscribe button. It's called the notification bell. If you press that, what happens is YouTube will send you one only email telling you that I just uploaded a new video. It's a great idea and it's a great thing that YouTube does for us because two reasons. One, you get an email sent to your inbox, so you have something fun waiting for you when you go through your emails. But while you're in your emails, you can simply press on my picture in that email and it takes you directly to the video. So it's really convenient and it's really a great idea. So that's called the notification bell. So even if you are subscribed and you haven't pressed that, it's a great idea to do that. All right, today what I'm doing is a giveaway on a duplicate item. If you're familiar with my channel, last month I started doing this and it was a major hit, so I wanted to be able to do it again this month if I got any duplications in my box, and I did. The Boxycharm box came with this fantastic product from a company called Basic Beauty, and it's called Glowy AF, and they're saying it is a wet glow. This product blew me away, and I was so happy when I saw that I got a duplicate of it. So I'm not going to open that one. I'm going to show you the one that I have here. So the actual outside packaging looks exactly like the packaging that is on this product. And what it is, it has a full mirror, the length of the actual palette. Inside here, they have this fantastic shield that has the name on it. So everything is like a step up. I swatched these in my original video when I received it, and I was absolutely shocked that this product feels wet but goes on dry. It is phenomenal. I'm just going to do a quick swatch of this, so in case you didn't see that video, that's what the product looks like here. And I'm just going to put it on the back of my hand here. Look how beautiful those swatches are. It is absolutely beautiful. So I am so excited that somebody I'm able to give this away in a giveaway, and you will be able to enjoy this as much as I have. So excited. Okay, so how the giveaways work. They're really simple on my channel here. All I ask is that you are subscribed to my channel, that you're also subscribed to me on Instagram, and my name on Instagram is TrueRonce with the number 2. And just in the comments below in this video that you are interested in the Basic Beauty Glow AF to be subscribed to win this product. So that's it. No tagging, no sharing, none of that, because you guys have really been the reason for my unexpected rapid growth. You're the ones that are telling your friends, your family, your sisters, your brothers, your cousins, your nieces, your nephews to watch my channel. Because when you leave the comments, when they become subscribers, they say so-and-so mentioned you, or that's why I've come to subscribe. So some of you have found me on your own, and thank you for that, because I know there's such a large group of people. That's why I hesitated for so long to start a channel. But based on what I'm hearing back from you guys, it was a good decision, because what I'm offering is completely different than other people are doing, and some things are the same, but my take on it is something that you're enjoying. So that means everything to me, and it's what I wanted to do, was to be able to share, and you guys made that happen. So once again, this is what the giveaway is about. It's called Basic Beauty Glow AF, and just make sure you're subscribed to this channel, you subscribe to me and follow me on Instagram, and in the comments you have to mark that you want to be entered in the giveaway called Basic Beauty Glow AF, and in that comment you got to leave me your Instagram name, because not only will I tell you you won in the comments down below when we pull the winner, it will also, I will be sending you a DM for that as well. So all of that is going to be in the description box, as well as when the cutoff and the winner is going to be mentioned. I will put that date as well in the description box. The only thing you have to do is you got to make sure that your account is public, because it is the only way that I can verify that you subscribe to me on YouTube. And it's really simple. You simply go to your settings, because when we all set up our accounts on YouTube, they automatically put our accounts to private. It's up to us to change it to public. And the only way a creator can know if you subscribe to the channel is if your account is public. It's something within the YouTube system that I've asked a couple of other creators, and they say they have that same issue. So that's the only way I can know that you subscribe to the channel. I want to make sure that the people that have been supporting me and helping me grow are the ones that are going to benefit from the giveaways. So subscribe to this channel, make sure you're public. Subscribe to me on True Wants 2. Leave a comment down below that you want to be entered in the giveaway that's called Basic Beauty Glow AF. Because sometimes people just leave a comment to say hi, or I've already received this and I'm enjoying it, and things like that. So I don't want to take away from the people that actually want to win this by every comment being put in, that everyone who leaves a comment is going to be put into the giveaway. I hope I'm making sense. All right, that's it. That's what this is all about. So good luck to everybody. Once again, I am so excited to be able to share this with you. You know, normally getting duplicates is disappointing, but now that I'm able to do these giveaways a few times during the month because of duplicates in some of the boxes, it has really been a blessing in disguise. All right. Thank you for finding me. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye.